Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. This video, as you've seen from the title, it's going to be like a vlog for going back to school. So today is Sunday officially. Tomorrow we are going back to school, like officially, and we have 2 weeks to our examination. So guys, I'm just gonna try to put you on what I really do, how I get ready to go back to school. So yeah, this video is just all about me getting ready, how I set my things, how I pack, what I pack to go back to school. I'm going to start packing right now because it's getting real and it's getting serious. Gosh, I just had a very satisfying nap that I haven't had in a very long while. Like, I can't even remember the last time I had this sweet afternoon sleep. The room is looking like a hot mess, so I'm not even gonna pretend that my room is always tidied up, and I'm also not gonna pretend that I'm calm about this. So whenever I'm trying to pack to go to anywhere, my room usually used to be like this, or even much crazier than this. You'll see everything on the floor, everything will be scattered. This is just me. So guys, for this bigger box, I'm just gonna set in my native wears and almost every of my wears. And I also like to keep it standing, so I keep the clothes as if they are inside the wardrobe, because I found out it's easier to see what you're looking for this way, and also you don't get to scatter your clothes, because I usually do scatter my clothes around. So this is like the best option for me. I've done it before and it worked. It's nice. So guys, basically sometimes I feel like I'm the worst person you want to learn how to pack clothes from, but I'm trying my best. And I've forgotten to even mention this, like I can even do it anyhow, because we have a wardrobe, like we have a cupboard. Is it a cupboard? No, it's not a cupboard. We have a mini wardrobe in the room, and even though the wardrobe is not mine, it's for my friend, but there is nothing she can do. I mean, so we are sharing it. I still have a place to put my clothes, even if they are not organized right now inside this box. So I'm just trying to fit in things that I need to leave with them to school, because we have a wardrobe that I can rearrange my clothes here. No hard feelings. So yeah, I'll just try to fit in everything that can fit in, and boom. Hi guys, so today is Thursday, and I figured out I haven't been like putting on God, I haven't been like coming along with you guys. But yeah, so I decided that I'm not going back to school today or yesterday, so I'm going to go do my hair now, because it's going to be a hell of a semester. It's going to be tough because we're just going to go on a revision and then examination straight ahead. So I wanted to do my hair, so my hair is just going to be out of the way without causing any further discomfort. So yeah, for the salon, I'm just going to be taking only they leave my change, please. This one will reach me to go and come back. So I'll just take my shampoo in there, and I'll take my leave-in conditioner, I'll take my hair oil, and I'll take castor oil because it's getting cold. And ever since I dye my hair, I realized it's been cutting, and because it's been getting so much drier. And we have hair grease here, anti-dandruff, because low porosity, it always gets dirty. And I have one hairband. I usually use one hairband, it's enough for me. So I think that's all. I'm gonna carry this bar oil just in case my hands get pretty much dry. So yeah, these are it. And then also I like to take in this water bottle, because I don't like to go to a place and then start thinking of how to drink water. So yeah, this is what I have in the bag. And of course we carry this what is it called? Remind me the name. Yeah, of course, my earbuds, and take my robe because it's getting so much cold outside. It's getting so much dusty outside. So I take the robe. I know this seems like a lot, but yeah, that's how I do it. And I also need to take my ampicillin, so I won't be taking it right now. I'll just take it when I reach there. And I'll be carrying an avocado because I want to eat it. So for the record, I like to sprinkle in my salt if I'm going out with it, because guys, this is not the first time I'm going out with this thing, so don't be worried. And I'm not going to carry anything extra for salt. It's too stressful. So this is enough. I'm just gonna go ahead and patch them back together like this and put them inside here. Like this, guys, it's open. So guys, this is how I'm going to take it. I could carry an extra container and put it, but I don't want to do that because my bag is already full as it is, so I'll just manage like this. Hi guys, oh god, I know I'm looking like a piece of shit right now. I know, and my room is all scattered because guys, we're leaving today. Now I'm gonna keep you right here. I love you guys. I'm gonna keep you right here. And this skincare bag, I'm just gonna pack my chargers, my adapters, my power banks, everything about power supply is going to be in this bag right here. So this jubilation, I don't know where it's coming from because I'm totally not excited about this, but it's something I have to do, something that must be done. So yeah, sure. Right in here we have my sanitary pad, my everything about bathing and skincare, everything about it is in this paper bag here. And I also have my Gaviscon just in case. And yeah, sometimes, not even sometimes, mostly I pack some medicines, but right now I don't have any, but I'm gonna get some maybe along the way. Okay, so the thing is, I've already dismantled my tripod, so I don't even know where to hang you guys. The room is just scattered, messy, blah, 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 and all. But I'll just find some place to like hook you guys. So I'll still go ahead and add this my mic because I have a bit of voiceover to do before everything gets stuffy and serious. And I have all these candle lights. I always take them, so I'll keep them here. Also, this is an extra pen. I always keep extra pens. And this is my antibiotic. I'll finish it later today. And my robe, I always take this everywhere, like everywhere. So this is it about this little bag, and we're gonna zip it. So in this bag, I pretty much take anything regarding my lip care, my eyeliner and all. And I'm gonna be carrying this mirror because I don't think I have mirror the last time I was there. And yeah, my small money, and here I'll just use to show my card and all. And guys, I lost my my school ID card, so by tomorrow I'll need to go rectify that issue because I'm writing exams soon. And this is my eyeglasses for blue light protection. Have another extra SIM just in case another network is, you know, acting up. Usually have around 3. So yeah, the mirror will go into here too. That's pretty much it for this bag. For the handbag, I don't like my handbags to be heavy, even though I carry almost everything inside. So guys, change of plan. Not really change of plan, but we're heading out to go see a site, and then I'll come back and continue from where. God, I'm looking horrible. Yeah, at this point I'm really tired. I want to go back, finish packing, and do what I have to do. But my mom, if she starts talking, she doesn't used to stop. And I'm tired, and this place is sunny. So guys, I won't even say almost done. I'm done. So my laundry basket, I usually bring it out because you know this woven basket, it's normally like if it's sitting in a damp environment, it gets all of this I don't know what to call it, but it spoils. So I bring it out, and I normally don't leave laundry when I'm about to leave. So there's nothing in here, only my throw pillows. I have about, I think, 4, and a huge pillow and 1 big pillow. So all of my pillows are stuck in here, and I think I have only 1 after dress inside for laundry. So I'm gonna tell my mom to take this out tomorrow when it's sunny, so the sun can hit the basket and it can be completely dry, because when it's sitting in the toilet it gets very humid and it can spoil easily. So that's pretty much it. In here I have some of my food stuff, because it's like we're going back. It's not like a new beginning, so we already have some of our things there, even though some have expired, and that's why we're replacing some. And here I have my blanket and my praying mat, as you can see, and my pillow. Yeah, and I go with my pillow everywhere. You guys know about this. This is the bag for all of this stuff you're standing. Those are my avocados, and they're almost spoiled. And here I have some eggs and my books. Most of my books are in school. So yeah, my water bottle, and I took only 2 pair of slippers because I have 2 pair of shoes again over there, and I'll be taking 1 in my leg. Like guys, it's just about for 4 weeks, and I'll be studying, so I don't even need to carry much. And this will be going out for laundry. That's my carpet, the blanket, the pillowcases, and of course this one too will be going out. I mean, they're so nasty, they look so nasty. And when I'm about to leave, I don't leave my bulb because I don't. They might decide to be in my room and just do some shit and just do some stuff that I don't want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I'll be taking with, and this is how I normally leave my room. I don't sweep it. Yes, I'm that bad, but my mom will make someone sweep it by tomorrow, and wash the toilet, and everything will be settled in. Everything will be more clear by tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. And yes, this is me. I'm sweating a panty because I hate packing, guys. I really do hate packing, and I don't know how to do. I don't know a better or a simpler or an easier way to do this thing. It just always eat me up. And I'm wearing this, something very comfortable, because I live in an upstairs in school, so I will need to carry my belongings up and down, since they don't let men inside the hostel. I mean, it's just normal. So yeah. Ke fata nan kamar gurin ya ƙara kyau. Enter class. Gaskiya akwai abin kunya a ce wannan ne makarantar ku. Kin ga duk wani irin fenti da ya goge. Mu muka fara sammako ne? Bahar son. Shige. Sannu Bahar son. Yana ta tarin balu. Dole ka gaishe a aji. Bahar a wata sai mu shiga ciki daga to